How much does tree removal cost in Gilbert, Arizona? Average Gilbert tree removal cost, $575. Low Gilbert tree removal cost, $175. High Gilbert tree removal cost, $975. Gilbert tree removal cost range, $175 to $975. Tree removal costs for a tree in Gilbert, Arizona that's 30 feet tall or shorter will cost you around $150 to $200, with an average Gilbert tree removal cost of $175. Tree removal costs for a tree in Gilbert, Arizona that's 30 feet to 60 feet tall will cost about $525 to $625, with an average Gilbert tree removal cost of $575. Tree removal costs for a tree in Gilbert, Arizona that's 60 feet tall or taller will cost around $925 to $1,025, with an average Gilbert tree removal cost of $975. By the way, were you looking for a free quote to have that tree removed in Gilbert? I'll bet you were. Pick up that phone and give our arborist a call today to schedule your fast and free quote. Thank you.